Nowadays, every IT professionals understood that they have to learn cloud for their career advancement. And because of this, people from different domains coming to learn cloud from CloudFolks HUB. For example, if you are software engineer or a database admin, system admin, network admin, or even if you are DevOps engineer, you have to learn cloud. Now, when people start learning cloud services, for example, let's say that for AWS cloud services, they will really enjoy all the services which is related to their field. For example, if you are having background of networking and if you are learning VPC, you will really enjoy this. Why? Because VPC is a network service in the AWS. But if network engineers are going to learn RDS, they will face difficulties. Why? Because they don't have experience of using database. Same way, if you are database engineer and if you are learning RDS, you will really enjoy this. But if you will learn AWS Lambda, you will face difficulties because you never ever wrote code in your life. But all these people from different domains are happily learning from CloudFolks HUB and they are actually never facing this kind of problems with us. Why? Because whenever we are going to start any topic, we understood that people coming from different domains and we have to clear some background for them so they can understand this. Today, our topic is about log exports. Now, database administrator can easily understand this feature of RDS, but if you are not database administrator, you will face difficulties to understand this topic. But I am giving you promise that it will not happen with you because you are watching this particular video. And here I will explain you about logs first and then I will talk about log exports. So let's start our today's topic, log exports. Hello and welcome. I hope you are enjoying our AWS series. We have big plan to add Azure series, even videos for each and every DevOps technologies. But for this, we want some support from you guys. You can support us by only doing two things. First, subscribe to this channel. And yes, only subscribe to this channel if you are thinking that these videos is actually giving you some values. It will help you to pass any AWS exam like AWS Cloud Practitioner, Solution Architect Associate, or even Solution Architect Professional. Second thing is, share these videos with other IT professionals. Learning process is actually not expensive. If you are getting better or proper instructor or a mentor, it will really help you to develop your skill. If you are thinking that we are providing you a proper right path to improve your skill, your friends also deserve this, right? And for this, you have to share this channel videos with them. So, I am just requesting you to do these two tasks for me. One, subscribe to our channel and share with other IT professionals. Thank you. Now you can continue your video. As I promised you, first of all, we need to understand what is logs in the database. Now I will explain you this using mind map, but here I want to tell you from where we are getting this option. See here, I am in the RDS, create database, selecting MySQL. When you scroll down, here you will get this option. Log exports, right? Let's understand logs first, then log exports. Logs are record of various database event and activities. Logs captures information on queries, errors, connection and access activity, helping track what's happening inside your database. See, in each and every good systems that you are using, it can be hardware or it can be software, they are actually generating log files. For example, if you are a network engineer, you are aware about that. Let's say that you have Cisco router. And if you face any difficulty and if you contact tech support, Cisco tech support, they will ask you that, okay, we want this particular files from your device. These are log files. Send it to us. And then they will troubleshoot everything from this particular log files. Same way in system admin, Windows and Linux operating system also generates lots of logs in their system. Now these logs will be very important for troubleshooting or performance tuning. By reviewing these logs, you can easily solve complex problems as well. Same way, different kind of database system or a database engine generates different kind of logs as well. Here I have example of some logs. For example, normal database engines generates audit logs, track users' activities for compliance and security purpose. Who access your database, login time, login interval, everything will be logged here in this particular log files. Then error logs record errors which help you to diagnose the issue. General log capture the information about the connections and commands, and slow query logs identify slow running queries for performance tuning. So, always good database engines generate lots of logs. Now, you have to collect these logs, and it is really very important. Why? Because these logs help you to troubleshoot your problem. It is also helpful for the performance tuning. Here I give you an example about slow query log. So, if your database is slow, you can find out that, okay, which query which take, how much time it is going to take. So, you can find out easily from the slow query logs, and then you can solve this specific problem. It is also very important for the security and compliance requirement. You have to produce this database log in order to provide compliance documents. Now, the problem with AWS is AWS RDS is actually managed service. Now, what is the meaning of managed service? Here, you don't have any direct access of operating system of your database or database engine. Let's assume that if I have one on-premises database, now whatever the database engine will generate any logs, these logs will be stored inside my operating system. Now I can easily access operating system, and then from specific folder, I can get access of all these logs. So getting access of logs will be very easy for you when you have your on-premises database, because you have control of your operating system as well as your database engine. But here we don't have control on RDS. We don't have control on our operating system or our database engine. So how I can review all these logs? How I can get access of this particular logs? So we don't need to worry about this, because here AWS provided us this facility. Now this is our main point that we need to understand. In the exam, they will ask you questions related to log exports in RDS, right? All these 3 points are, specifically for a background clearance. Now let's understand our main topic, log exports in RDS. There are many things that you need to understand, because all these are related to exams or interview. Okay, so let's start. Sorry, I know that you want to watch full video, but full video is now not available on YouTube. If you want to watch full video, I want you to go to our website. When you will go to our website, you will find out our course, 100 Days YouTube Challenge. I want you to enroll for this course by paying only 499 rupees for lifetime if you are from India. If you are from outside of India, you just need to pay $7 US. Once you will enroll to this course, you are going to get all full videos over there on our portal. You are also going to get certificate after completing the course, and we have just uploaded 120 videos. We are going to upload another 120 videos as well. So there will be total 240 videos. I hope we are going to meet inside the class. Thank you very much.